the last time twarea ko that now you are a senior officer Thirikari County. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes.
Asante sana bwana.
How was life been ku transition kuma kire unionist mwanga ku ya kire Rotongeri?
Asante sana bwana Edward, kembere kamba jiri na okethia Amiru bonde arabari na kila mtu roto thikirite tia ku kechenjite bwana Edward. Meonde muritingoi na nkayukia position buchecherwero nio nikenda tumbo tethia mwananchi na ndutangui ura kubaterwe. So tia kwena any changes yotibu nkuibu akakutaukita
aribona kinyo golelie bora mtoro thai no nginyo uso unasema
dogo meni othe na bwana Edward kana wea okotara we thirikari ne kana urutere rurungi utinga ngorwiro urikana itarea thirikari raumire every 6 months ndaringa transfer lakini ni thai
but you were transfer now within the last 2.5 years
tala every 6 months kuma kawira ra kuma there were about 6-7 transfers na sio ngita 14
so now kwi mantera twambiririe mbere kwi mantera ba champion buri unionist thai Dennis kinyawe na unionist thai no CC na woriara so mantera ba champion ya ritingweba ugimbo bomwire thai buisasa
kamba jire no chokeria governor His Excellency Mutuma Ntwethingia nkatho muno nontu bokona iboya amba kwithira ya positions i pato uteregirite. It was a surprise ke batwi nontu kagita konde anto ba union betha batali bare anto bakorona thirikari lakini His Excellency na tuyukirie na twira kamugambo kamo mantira urathe taira iteni bukete ate bwacho solution abo teriania yo na meri utoria obishine mantu yetite mzuri nontu kembere kagita kanene twatiri ma union kenda wakazi bomba kwetha bakiwa promoted lazima union chiumire iringe kelele iroya chite strike chite demonstrations lakini with governor Mutuma mantu ivi mwanya nonto so far 430 the workers by promoted so far 430
within
8 months na implemented KP slip your list in auto provide bere kinya union ni baria already another 400 need kwa promoted health workers more than nonto already proposal chi ndene ya public service board ki 121 million ya kwena part ya promotions na kwena part ya employment kwa 121 million ira ito ambra breakdown nikenda public service board bomba kwa baki advertise those promotions kwena cha common candas promotions cha health workers na other workers bonde already halfway implemented na ingi ka implemented kuma January. Kwena manto yangi ya promotions ya workers bonde ndene Meru County. Public Service Commission ni aya directions ya that job group A, B and C chia collapsed. Iche cleaners, cash wash na manto yatombe kwithira yakiumbikana itera kiraitu itera munya itera kawira lakini kama na Mutuma ukuma rawire muriti wangu we wende wa county neither akia promoted na baba kwanza baba lower candas A, B and C by bonde promoted to job group C and that has been done. Kwena bange ba job group M and N ni rare collapsed ya job group N. Kwe bange ba Q and R ni rare collapsed na job group R. More than 194 officers bonde already implemented. Kemanto ya dawa I think mwananchi na kumewengo ni ipaweta chibitari thai patri madene matura yetu machibitari yetu kwena dawa ne tuthironkite na tukona kama dawa ichukinya mbere ne watirima ngavana utoro rari kukawira ya turetera condom na roji lakini batu thai turowire utema ntu yo kithi indawa ne kinye dene machibitari nikenda muriti wa Ngugi akethea aina wiru kana kiwira iru kwetha kitango yawe nonto na kwethira na utethia mwananchi na mwananchi tene chibitari agetha utetheka na utethia ndawa kwetha chima chibitari governor na kulukiria budget ya mbere ongela budget ya ndawa kuma 200 million to 300 million per year na achokaya na directions au ambe chira tumba kwetha twikoro ni ndene macibitari cibitari tithe kiura ndawa na so far thaa kwina ira kuma county kwina ira cibitari kwithe kiura so mantu ya maingi muno tumbite kwetha twachivite na tukivithia bwana Edward.
So tell me this issue ya salaries. For the first time ndironire bukiwiburi mpesa tariki 28 last month baro meshara tariki 28 imira kuriko perform 3 karene because burari ya meri thatu meri na butiringa kona street ine nara ngagure na tamantu yo garambira bona batunya na ibengi school what imira kuriko perform 3 karene
ori cie ukuma bwana Edward ndinde penya kuri anto ba account double ya thako mbechinge bambeki rate makosa ite musara
has it ever happened?
It has never happened. Tutira kura kuma tariki 15 na wita na mbere lakini for the first time kawa na mutuma na kura tariki 28 27 na yeye utoro yaira.
So kiri sector ya statutory deductions monthly insurance nambi are you people okay because kwe kiure ndire kiure to kidi penji ku toke kio kidomo pandai mantu yayo nde yare ati na insurance poko bureta bote kwa mukra insurance boya mantu yi nde ya streamlined
insurance itari na thina kuma itare ya njire 2013 mwankare ngavana kawira ukumire that is health insurance
yeah
atuikarita kachwa brokers bawe tabakarea beti ya insurance but kavana mutuma ukuma nombe kwetha streamline na wa insurance ira kavera tochwa ni thena brand directions ya SRC ile challenge ile wa kidogo and admit there is a small challenge insurance inetre ya service providers na insurance yongo ya decide that ukethera wote kwa offer services ili bateru chionde bate kwa contract so kwena wakazi wa mtu akwenda wika Karen Aga weta that facility watrima ite contracted ti ati thirikari iriete ni insurance yongo ya ure ilazima we provide services chionde ile bateru as per that contract so alitibangu gibagaeta cibitari ya china services chionde bakomba kwetha bakiona service yo na ibakuona service.
Fair enough. Wale Mount Wonder former governor, first governor Peter Munya akiwa tenda wai kuona hospitali now so ntikumina hapa hapo kuona kwena ndawa
in my memory ntona governor Munya yete hospitali cia to trito baraba tritiwa kuona na ngaende auria baraba trito ni ombo bekia kuwa na baraba trito bombo mwa history ogeta Karen Nairobi hospitali meote kwena ndawa ndene matura
nkuthomere kiurikire kiukaria mbere tutete forward imuntu wetu Javasi akwa la roriti atiri tell us if SHA is working and yet MPs and even counties are seeking private insurance for themselves. Why is it that previous and current county governments have always discriminated the devolved staff when it comes to insurance to certain insurances entity, yet we are all working for the county since devolution in 2013?
Mantu yambere kancho ke mantu insurance ote mtu sidelined kuna directions ya SRC kuna circular nie inga indibura insurance yomba kwa contracted kwa umbekia ochwa insurance as a government so ko bato to dia tesa SRC circular bure kuwa na uketha ko nawe na issues na batiri to bicine uketha we left out but SRC akorokire that county employees you but with a bachelor and necessary insurance cover from NHF by then and SHA by now so baraba on them are devolved by a comprehensive cover kisha then baba ngibe na insurance ile contract in the county not a making a county ni SRC guideline.
So SHA ne kuritangwe?
SHA ne kuritangwe. Boya mono. Cibitari ni irari investe cio last week but one and the millions of money. ni chicho tutetheire kubwithia maendeleo ndene ya macibitari onto ya Nyambene Hospital ni wikira CT scan yongo from the facility fund kebechira barisha.
Oh, really?
Kangeta ni ku repair a room ya wikira X-ray machine kuma becha ni ira bara-ini SHA. Muthara Hospital ibara urite ndawa kuma na consignment ira bara SHA. So uroku ashete gwitangwe norotinio no wetha otia yitu na tatumira SHA cibitari na ekotethia yani ukauga ati SHA itikiruta ngui na SHA iruta ngui every cibitari wora cibitari au gita na ibu ndo turetete formula hiyo kwa cibitari ni kuichura ndawa
from which level?
Kuma level 2 level 3 level 4 sionde all the levels.
Fair enough. Now kiri department yoku, I do not know, is it public administration? Yes.
Director Health Administration.
Health Administration. Oh, sorry. Health Administration. Ere entail binonto ntere ya kuibwa docket yiringi dairo mibo na by the way tukumya kitha ni twireo kana ni ture thirite te kurutithungwe so purpose ya docket ye kwimbi
directorate ni twireo unfortunately ni officers batayo kanya wa kwitangwe na mija leo ndi ruta ngwe my responsibilities ikimijengo kurungamira mijengo kurungamira human resource partly with the chief officer na mantu ya mengi digitalization communications ya department all of them under my docket na untu tambo na nyake ari kuma de kuma bisine katorari busy no tungavana na atwere instructions atwira tumbe kwethira tokini implement manifesto ka maoni yale nayo ndene department mwasoke development na kwire good news bwana Edward last financial year governor mutumana ambe kwethira ki complete 64 projects na ki 64 projects this year naongeleta
through the supplementary budget
then department kati te wende go ground with kurugura those developments this financial year to 74 projects ira governor mutuma ambe ta kwethira aki plan nay at the procurement stage to this financial year. Kuna CT scan ya level 5 no meone kiomba kwetha kia installed na tethetie wananchi muno no mtwire ina the current technology ya ku treat na ku diagnose aje mwaso baba cancer watrima ndionekana cancer no nda kuringwa CT scan nikende menyekana level ya kinyite na tubwithi ngita wa stage nikenda tumba kumenda wire tokwa so CT scan yani umbita kwethethia muno twina milliwatt ndene ya mutwati no me kotetwire kuna milliwatt ndene ya Gembe region for the longest time twina milliwatt Nyambene Hospital it is at the completion stage ngwitikia governor kaucho antukeweta kweta mirura twina Meathene inpatient block governor hukuma na theatre ma kweri na stalled project ya milliwatt ya inpatient na yenda 20 million nikenda ground floor na first floor chumba kwethekea completed governor through supplementary na kira 20 million yarora itwathiririe ni equipments tutawikira nikenda yomba kwethekirwo tuke ayoyo atimao kwena nguzishi dispensary ni arikire wakwa at a cost of almost 10 million through supplementary kwena Ngaridare maternity ni rombe kwethe ni kia completed na equipments chomba kwethekirwo kwena project nyingi muno bwana Edward.
Kire project each on the irrigate. So last financial year, always 64, right?
Yes.
Now this year financial year?
74.
74. So facilities each on the they are existing. Kana ni they are with it to completion.
Actually, can chokerian kava mononga bana wetu nto naombe ko take a decision wa keda ko ya ko njaro ichi yako inkai. Nto for example yuko na ya gosishi ninjaro a very magnificent dispensary but governor aua nto na kwenda ba mami beto betha bena services inje ndene matura aua maternity na theater chombe kuthichi wakwa nicho tukumba wetha tukikwipira chiari stalled tuko complete for example kwena Muthara theater ya tuira for 8 years itamba kwethera ikibwithi nduma gavana naombire kwithira gikira equipment ku na narwo tukiaria twina over 70 mothers babombite kwitha betetheka ithiatera na bamami babonthe kitha thiatera reo kumaanisha either ukia level 5 no kwa na challenges nyingi kana ugaeta private watumira mbechi nyingi lakini gavana ombe kwitha kirugura twina theater ya Mikumbune ni ora twire miaka mingi tamba utumirika twekire equipment ku na thaini utumirika twina maternity all over the county kwina project nyingi muno gavana ombete kwithira ki complete neira ikethikirwo na kwina ngitu kwanjiriria
no kiri still manto ya twarĩrie level 5 kuri na ngindo ne bwita ni corporates
yes
corporate clinic right
yeah.
So corporate clinic ni ya wibo metumira na yambiririe utumika because itha hindironire kiariru na kirwe very efficient so yambi corporate clinic
twina market me as much as twithirikari twina an open market nontu watirima mwajie ria ketha kienda huduma iwe wengo kanisa na kwenda wita na one of the things iranga bana mbite kwitha kialilia ikwalilia every person urokwenda kuanda huduma amba kwitha kinya ndene matibitari yetu so cooperative bwithitwe ira ndo aba insurances then antu bamika nukwenda huduma onto ya no yite station no kwenda huduma ya dharura rwiro so kwena that corporate ya utetheria such people kwena SHA comprehensive ya rimo baombe kwetha bagikwa comprehensive dene ya SHA kinyabo wa kinya dene corporate yano komba kuthetheka na ndawiro kwenda na service yacho ndo kwenda kwetha ukiona na level 5 ankwire wana Edward gavana na maono ameya muno nonto kwena inpatient block itwire itathira gavana nikite 46 million nikenda omba kwethekea completed neruro on top of ile wako ya 1 billion in national government. The same facility gavana na itira cha 19 million cha waka incinerator nontu itwithite twina challenge ya ku manage rukoro etura machibitari tutaya ni incinerator nya mwende na Meru County ira twina chiningi chitamba ni chimba na itekomba gwethe kithia rukoro apio so gavana itira cha 19 million through UNICEF itowakiro incinerator ni endelete mzuri muno na ngwetikia by tariki 31 December in 2 weeks time ikethe kithira kana in a month's time na in the highest capacity 100 kg ira yoire around Upper Eastern kwena project ingi kwa onto ya waka inpatient block ya cancer ako cancer to that ina challenge wa trima mwajire ya nonto boitanda ni muthanya kitu cooperate wa trima so many aje bate kuona service ile ya chemotherapy ka wikiro ndawa so gavana leo kinyana aliliria ona challenge you ni to waka inpatient block ya cancer at a cost of 6 million.
Now, by the way, cancer center area ara level 5 nithiritere operation kana kwire rungamire alafu body revive bandaye na kitha bota revive imbi ya shibakansa botungatira wapi
cancer center ba karini aruri kagita kamwe lakini onto kaita re gavana ora umira na banki bariku especially Kawira twari na challenge muno na neri kwingwa nonto daktari ora wareo ari job group iri ndepio I think ari job group M ari akwa promoted nyato ita ki union to tuliria gavana Maru na arere completely wate promoted amona barabangi na ko twika bakari sign yabo nde bareo twethe totena staff neomba kwethe kingwa alafu ikurari na some other challenges chia structure ndene ne cancer center lakini gavana mutuma hukuma na anjiririe na daktari kwanza wao ikuna promoted immediately na dhaia job group mzuri na challenge why watirima daktari ba cancer watirima bakirisa ina bagita other counties watirima wa job group M alafu county ingine ni kwa implant job group R
of course
ugaeta so ibonto na to street net kiwa promote wakaziba nikenda to that na retention nje na ingwetikia kwena plan also nya kuandika an extra one tuongela mandaktari araura kwina bangi by training kwibonga wana mutuma ure ibarilizwe a number of them they are training nikenda cancer center tumba kwitha twimikoria kiraki tofauti leo na cancer unit yetu ni other hii ikwithete comprehensive there mwaje thera onekane na cancer na confirmed kwina management plan yetu itha twindio ya mbere batirimo kwa chemotherapy ukethira ukita kubithirwe nge tuta radiology treatment na kwina ingi wita kubithirwa surgery so aitukomba kubithirwa surgery itukomba kwa chemo lakini kwa treat na radiologically treatment itikumbikana ndene ya level 5 na niyo tumba kwitha tukiwa twina comprehensive cancer center na niyo ngavana akwadvocate muno ningwite kwina plan ninyo kia plan ya waka comprehensive cancer unit
kuna two successive surgeries chithiriti withika level 5 latest irari ya twana tura kwerekana njira ya kioro na niuntu is a milestone kirisibitari ira. What is the behind this success?
Kembere wakazi wa motivated. Kebili commodities yaba kwenda thinda wana kila kitu ni kuonekana dhai. Kebida to bena environment akwetha bakitangwira. Kebina governor wetu na utwirite tumbe kwithira thieta cietu cionthe tukikuip na ipon tukona apart from level 5 ito kuikuip thieta ya Kithongo ito kuikuip thieta ya Mikidori ya Muthara ito raikuipire ya Mikombo na ito raikuipire Kanyakini ito me expand ito me new equipments na ito kwa expand operations room so governor na wete mwananchi none service ireba terwe kethia ne thieta kethia ne outpatient kila mahali.
Now moving forward kiri institution cia thirikari kiri mantu ya health facility kuthirite kwina matheta yu ya personnel batikwana rene masibitari kwi sibitari na muntu umwe so kiri mbeti cia promotion irio turi expect kuona thirikari ikiandika antubana na antubaba andikori pakethira baekwana bautungata antu ndene ya sibitari especially barabara mature na at the want level.
Ito gwithite cost implication ya promotions, employment and especially employment na ndawa kuomba kwithira tukioyuria mandaitari ndene ya masibitari yetu tukwenda 3 billion.
3 billion
in a year. So
3 billion
the difference is this. Itara kawira anto aba resign bange ba murungu araita na whether kutena replacement. Last employment yari 2020
5 years ago na ogatiri budget mbere omeandi just ingia kumana brobo kwenda ni ngumu sana lakini gavana huwa lazima tuanjirie antu amwe nikenda twetana mbere na watirima kagita ngi twandamane itaraka wira toka Mungu otoandikirinya mtu umwe na tukiwa andikana kwina that problem lakini gavana mutumai hukuma au kim budget ye mberinya anjire kwarania na union ekira 121 million for promotion and employment so it to expect in any time actually good news is that urawenda kwenda ngoi nanjo prepare papers nonto bondi can advertise anytime from now yes so bukiandika no sibitari ya Meru level 5 twero ni kuambiria kubuithwa maabisa ba jeshi bare yau so no to progress sibitari ukithea kuambiria wako na maybe next end to expect kuona at least face mbere kurekari
ntikwira ile exactly mbike kuthire ni ntukwina other issues chombia kumera in between no ngai wichi
37 months
ni 7 months na speed yawe tete gwitikia within those 7 months bakeza bakuthiria lakini jeshi on the ground yes.
So work is in progress as we speak.
Work is in progress na inyare kwena inya project gavana wetu tumuchakiria nkatho muno mtukomba kuthoya Meru County ni waka outpatient block ya 50 million ndene Nyambene hospital jeshi ni rari kuo 2 weeks ago betete ku access waka inpatient block nikenda tumba kuongeza
sibitari Nyambene level 4
kwena Meru level 5
na Nyambene level 4. I'm talking of, so as you speak jeshi yenyewe ina project nyingine Nyambene level 4.
Yes, kumania na national government.
Why have I not heard this?
Okay, work in the progress, with the initial stages. They have assessed bona what exactly chibitari kwenda, so they are preparing their reports ningwetikia. Those reports they come either in 2 weeks or 3 weeks time.
I heard some politicians from North Imenti bakiwa kuelevate sipitari ya level 5 nio batia batina sipitari na batia antoba within this locality batina kwa wete sipitari na nture kedere purely referral na kuringana na bo sipitari wite bati kwa elevate ndi bati kuria. What are the benefits ya kwa elevate sipitari?
Then you know batero bore either when number check kwenda changa anta bata Nairobi for services. Nonto kege na maana kwa nendwa. Tiane nya ownership ya sipitari.
Yeah.
To bati with that in mind. To batero with that which ora mwaje akenda akenda ICU na umeona level 5. Mwaje akenda either na kwenda an advanced surgery ameona level 5. Mwaje akenda na kwenda kwa admitted in HDU ameona level 5. Akitha na kwenda kuona the best neurosurgeon in the country amona level 5 kikyo kiuria na rawi da wina mwaje utura cheno ko ni that sipitari kora chia kyo dan ka fund na then kona service na ngavana kuwa level 5 ne elevated to level 6. First of all ikwe their services iko accessible bumea karama bume mudhara bume maoa kinye level 5 ile level 6 mbona service ran kwenda accessibility. Then the other thing is cost. And to wita Nairobi Hospital, wita Aga Khan Karen Hospital, withe no wita level 6 yetu ile ndene Meru County. So baraba kwetha bakiwa eka elevated ni anto baraba komea poiba kwa fund. Wita hospitali cha India, wita hospitali nene na batekwa na mwananchi ora on ground ora teseka atekwa na huduma atekwa na huduma. So it has nothing to do. Na ko ria ndwant. O whether o karo moimo tadai. Ko ka oria no na painkiller.
Ote bagena randa wa pa the hospital ote bagena.
No tenda ko miano ini o ko itate. Kira kina mana wewe umeona na witate na wore. Na umo mwananchi kawaida kira kina mana kire we nyo kinya cibitarira amba ko thia kiora. Na ko ire challenge atu thita tu ni omono. Cibitari ye kwa level 6 dai. In terms of antobare kureta baraba ko yakona ndumo ni level 6 kira kitu tare akio services itare expanded kendi kinyela level yambi level 6 ugeta wondine thai wa treatment wa marsabit antoba isiolo antoba daraka cancer center yeto antoba rumembu bakauma Nyeri beyete kundumiwa. Actually we were shocked ko ibakumenya Rift Valley beyete cancer center na level 6 is a national referral hospital. Ireke there ina very expanded services ya kundumia wananchi. So ukatirima watu wananchi ba area uletatu kuona tanda. So kuongela bed capacity kumaanisha tuongele service ando hapa kuna service yariko au.
So are you prepared hospitali ya elevated bwana hospitali ngisi itenka the level 5?
Yes, very much prepared. As we speak timao ito meakira maternity ya 35 million in partnership na M-Pesa Foundation. In any time together to ina ground breaking. Na one of the challenges yetu to level 4 zieto chidite level chiande. Kunga vana na take an initiative level 4 chionde chiambi chi elevated na chi equipped na chi dikio for services. Kanyakini to kuongela theater. Kanyakine gavana na rombe wekira oxygen plant. Tuna tu oxygen plant in Meru level Meru County level 5 na Kanyakine. Nyambene Hospital ito kuongela na outpatient block over 50 million. KDF ibe ito twakira expand inpatient block nikenda mbia kwethena more than 350 bed capacity ICU, HDU and all other services chionde. Miathene weyo tigania kwina Miathene Hospital ituombete kuriki inpatient block ituenda kutina viti theater na tumbo expand. Mudhara Hospital also ikwina services ila tukuongela kuo, for example theater itombe kwetha twemirura itombe kwethira also tukiaka mochari within 3 months na thaya tuta equip nikenda yumba kwetha ukirugurwa nikenda tu decongest yo level 5 mikombona theater itwamirurire nikenda yomba kwithia nio ikiomba kwithia ni offer services na level 5 ingira tu kwina level 5 na kwina level 4 zira tu kwenda ukuria nikenda chithia services cha level 4 na nikenda chomba kwithia kia level 5 kwina plan ya ukuria Kanyakine, Nyambene na Miathene nikenda chomba kwithia chi level 5 atu atha twina level 5 monde na Meru County twithia twina mo 3 na au angi no Imenti North kwina dispensary ikinuru nio tukwenda ku expand services chio na itwanjiritiro warero kuona ketha tukona munda around that area nikenda tuongela the encourage na tumba kwitha tuki expand services yo so mubango reo
tukuna future.
Yes.
Now issue ya cancer ikwari dobunene ntere tiembe nara kwa tuikanga atalamba keya anga research ni institute ibuthu nao nambi prevention is better than cure. Is there a plan by enia ya uchunguza kana uchunguna kuona kaumo ka cancer muno ntere tiembe ikaiko because not totoro treat murimo yo yes but you people will you go to the point kumenya kaumo ka murimo yo imbi
kembere bwana endo tukuziria cancer ibatu tungo kwitha tukithia tuita macibitari na tukethia tukuchwa information ya kumea exactly bra cancer njeri na thini cha cancer no most of the time to for example breast cancer we mwekuru ukethia ukimenya ku check every day utetere nene no tugaita ni uka kwena assessment huwa to train amto kadha no ku assess rokiri ibo kwena kawimbo kidogo ukethia no kinyandene macibitari yetu na governor na njiti na plan nje muno ya kwithira kwina outreaches every facility ne encouraged ne facilitated kwetha itu kwetha tuna medical camps across Meru County ikenda tuketha specifically twata for cancer screening itone kia launched Mudhara na activities iti endelete muno KBLA wekira CT scan a level 5 in modern technology ya co-diagnose na Nyambene Hospital is a leap kana one of the plans that to make nikenda tumba kwenda to treat cancer in Meru County. Another thing kwena visibility studies Meru County kubwithia nikenda tumba kwithira ito waka cancer center comprehensive cancer treatment center aina satellite inya Timau Kanyakine Nyambene na Miathene. So there are a lot of plans we are doing nikenda tumba kwithira ituko tako murimo yo cancer.
But why don't you people really go and see the root cause of the cancer, especially Embe South?
By the yangu ndo bwana ndo. Are you aware Meru County the highest number of cancers? The only challenge with the Meru County is that we are very good in reporting. Or at counties like Marsabit around the Cherby area, when a lot of cancer cases which are attributed by some waste chair thrown there 1978 or thereabout, Isiolo and other counties in very big numbers. But what we maje baba tewe ndani machipitari. So but cancer unit yetu wakire ikethe ne kundumia aje na report yetu ikethe imbi isasaba. But also there's a plan ya Meru County ya ensure that tuko with the research a cancer research center ila tuketha tuko with the research nikenda tumba kwa they need to meet comprehensively.
There are two issues but tutathire mubango yo. One, kurondo onete deputy governor akirita mukana yo murito kiri officers buroka batikana yite ndawa chimwingi ndani ya masipitari bwakaria ndawa ate I would like kana ndi mwananchi ndenda kumenya ndawa ini ya masipitari kende kurire wamba bondawa ndani ya masipitari ibi bwatumira at least kona ndawa chikinya sipitari icho tungatira antu itewita through other routes kenda chibeta kwendira ndawa sipitari cha private chanto
ke kodithiria wamba kwa madawa I agree with the deputy governor ntutumba kwetha tukibwithia all these services kana kureta all these resources around na twethe kwina mtu kuto let down ko as a department anybody tukaithira tukiwata ina wamba tukandila no there and then lakini tia tukumaanisha madaktari bakuya ndawa katukwaya na kiwa nini tukawa anybody ukawatate ukiwatikana ke kurigiria na kumonita ndawa ko na unit itawa health products and technology unit ira as a department through guidance ya waziri tombe kwetha tu uniform na tomba kwetha tu empower so department na officers who kwetha wait around the facilities quality the record. Another thing ira governor ombete kwetha kureta ndene department ni kenda yumba kwetha itetheria ku monitor dawa na ku monitor other products chionde kwena digitalization. Every product ira tukwetha tukiura kana equipment kana anything iketha iki digital platform so uketha turi obisine itukomoneta tukona ndawa ibure tumirikana no tumiro na no trace tukamya ndawa ya maudzele turorere yo tiriti mwaje omwe bale bathatu pana so ngwetikia all those strategies chambe kwetha ichi tutetheria muno kumoneta ndawa itiketha ina wamba
yewe no tubukweta issue ya digital county ya Murang'a batumaira digital space kumonta kwe mtu wa aitu sibitari ya Mutuati anto umu Mutuati ya level 5 kwa tuka kwina awe bomba kwa waranderia mtu ora anto wa refund kuma Mutuati a connectwa na expert kuma level 5 a treatwa through mtandao video call ka through computer system no bone awe ya kureta this technology hata ba kombo trito lazima mtu ume embe lazima mtu ume South Imenti lazima mtu ume South kwa kwena center mwe kwena experts either maybe ni gynecologists either ni baba triti twana kana mirimu wengire tu maybe ya medho na manto yangi. Is it possible babu boya na technology bo me treat in that way because sometimes no tumira a lot of resources maybe ko let mtu na ambulance kureta nambi is there a way bomba tumira technology to solve health issues mero?
It is very possible na to in the progress ya kwetha tukikinya that level ya telemedicine so far governor Mutuma okurokera other partners naombeta kwethira I procure through his government more than 1,300 equipments chakwetha tukita digital na chete distributed in the facilities ito train the staff on how to use those equipment na ke also this financial year tuna plan ya kuwekera stima in all dispensaries LD centers level 4 zira chonde tina stima na that plan ingande towards kwetha to digitalize our healthcare system in Meru County. Not only mwaje kwethira na kuona unduma bukugira but also kwethira itukwali tukona uwe mwaje okinya thi ya Mutuati level 5 level 4 hospital service iro batero kuona kethe kuona twaleli the system kwa refund level 5 na service iro then daktari utwamuria ni kitumi o refer that patient na nabatero kundimwambi na dharura then chitare rori. So digitalization iranga wana kwenda kwithira either rionde na department ya health ni ikamba kwithira tutethia muno ya Murang'a actually tombe nyo kuruka Murang'a nuntu na itotira tothoma Murang'a twana Murang'a baba kubwithia na atwi tuongela other information and other knowledges nikenda tomba kureta digitalization then Meru County Health Department.
Kwe bombo partner na other maybe departments especially krimantu igi HIVs other infection chumba kuthirikumira maturani because kwena issues ikuendelea kumani na gender based violence defilements na nabani ni kwethira bake impregnated so department ya health and maybe we partner na youth na gender what are you people doing kwa at least makareka ya konia kana ya Kenyamuti?
Kwena a lot of plans ira thirikari mbita kwethira put in place na ya mbere twanjiriti na kwetha twina very good cooperation na ngao that is national government officers administration officers na kanyuma like 2 weeks ago twari na mchamende ya ward ya Mitungu ara twanjirie 16 days RRI nikienda tumba kwira antu na witania na wanda ne matura tupeleza mantu ya teenage pregnancies and these other challenges chionda tumba kwithira tukiomba kwithira tukithiria lakini nio effort ya government iko kwithia bwana Edward itiomba kwithira ki succeed tuketha mwananchi ni watikomba atu tutetheria so but we as a government we are doing what we can. It is upon now mwananchi ni wamba kwithira tutetheria.
So tukirikiri because our time is up Pioneer message ire kwenda utumira amiru hara bonde batetikirite rukero rwari
message kwa ni kwira wananchi ibomba kwitha wakia thirikari kanya nikenda ikomba kwithira ibarutira ngwitikia gavana Mutumana ukomere ateatika financial year na to project 264 ndene department ya health itombite kwitha kibwithia yari na supplementary thaitu ina 74 projects ila tu ina plan ya kwithira tukiwi implement kwa ikoromba mwananchi itoe thirikari kanya iomba kwithira kiruta ngui na ingwitikia tukomba kwithira tukiona matunda at the end of the year.
You are in charge ngawita aringi by next year ombira na project uchikinya because the youth eko theta you have to implement, right?
Exactly.
So next year ngawita ringi au turana na mantu ya kinya nawe Muchageri, thank you very much no tupa kuthawina batu no tukitha tio wetu tetha tu na TV no tetha tu na mabango yetu eta nambira kumethe mantu mwanya kile mitandao yetu kile nteto cietu cia thaa mwanja 7:30 na 9:30 and have a blessed week. Beta Mutembe Edward. Thank you daktari.
Thank you.